Hello, my name is CM, and that stands for Cheeky Monkey. Shh. I am visiting Pinewood School today because I've heard that all the children are learning about Red Nose Day. Now, I am being really naughty because I've come into Miss Meehan's classroom. I hope nobody sees me. But it's okay because 7C have been helping me learn all about Red Nose Day, and they've been working really, really hard. They've been making videos, they've been doing colouring and researching all about Red Nose Day to help me learn everything I need to know. And they want to share that with you this morning. So I'm really happy to be here today because I've heard all the children at Pinewood School are colouring in. Wow. They're buying red noses and they're entering fantastic competitions. And today they're wearing red. Wow. Maybe I'll pop into your classroom and see all your fantastic outfits. I hope you enjoy 7C's Assembly because they've worked really, really hard. And I've enjoyed learning all about Red Nose Day. Have a really great day and see you soon. Bye.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our 7C Red Nose Day Assembly.
Red Nose Day was invented in 1985 by two British comedians, Richard Curtis and Lenny Henry. It was invented to raise money in response to a famine in Ethiopia and other countries in extreme poverty around the world.
Red Nose Day is a campaign to end child poverty, one nose at a time, to make sure children who need help are safe, healthy and educated.
The total amount raised by the Red Nose Day charity since it began in 600 million pounds.
Every penny really does count.
Thank you so much, Katie and Charlie and Freddie and Jack and Sophie. That was so interesting. Now 7C are going to show us some of their superhero designs.
So, yesterday I made a picture of a person who had a superhero and the name is the Red Nose and then the powers are red noses.
Hello, my superhero name is Rainbow Girl and her power is invisible.
My superpower is when it touches its chest, it turns into a dog.
This is my superhero. Her name is Alia, and she's inspired by Princess Zelda. Her superpower is that she can heal people with her bow and arrow.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Heidi and Luke and Katie and China for sharing your excellent pictures with us. But where does the money go that we raise? Wow, that's so interesting. Thank you for showing me that. So the money we raise on Red Nose Day doesn't just go to other countries. It helps other children here that have disabilities and illnesses. That's really important.
Red Nose Day.
Wow, that was a really great song. Thank you, 7C, for sharing that with everybody. I've really enjoyed learning about Red Nose Day, but shh, I better go. I can hear Miss Meehan coming back.
Maybe I'll see you all soon. Bye.